The first rays of dawn paint the Arno River a soft gold. Florence awakens. The Duomo's dome, a masterpiece of Renaissance ambition, greets the day. Its presence is impossible to ignore. Nearby, the Ponte Vecchio, a bridge adorned with shops, whispers stories of centuries past. But beyond these iconic landmarks, a different Florence awaits. Step away from the well-trodden paths, and you'll uncover the city's true soul. Florence is a city that tantalizes the palate. Nestled in the heart of Tuscany, this city is not just a feast for the eyes with its stunning architecture and art, but also a paradise for food lovers. Every corner of Florence offers a new culinary delight, waiting to be discovered. Its cuisine is a symphony of flavors, bold and rustic. The essence of Florentine food lies in its simplicity and the quality of its ingredients. From the freshest tomatoes to the finest olive oil, every dish tells a story of tradition and passion. Imagine savoring pappardelle al cinghiale, a hearty pasta dish with wild boar, a true Tuscan specialty. The rich gamey flavor of the boar, combined with the silky texture of the pasta, creates a dish that is both comforting and luxurious. Pair it with a glass of robust red wine, and you have a meal that embodies the spirit of Tuscany. Or sinking your teeth into a succulent bistecca alla Fiorentina, a perfectly grilled T-bone steak. This iconic dish is a carnivore's dream, with its juicy tender meat and smoky charred exterior. Cooked over an open flame, it captures the essence of Florentine grilling techniques, honed over centuries. But the culinary adventure doesn't end there. Wander through the bustling Mercato Centrale. This vibrant market is the heartbeat of Florence's food scene, where locals and tourists alike come to experience the freshest produce and artisanal products. Here, amidst the vibrant chaos, vendors offer a symphony of tastes, freshly baked bread, pungent cheeses and juicy olives. The air is filled with the intoxicating aromas of herbs and spices and the sounds of lively bargaining and laughter. It's a feast for the senses. Every bite, every smell, every sight in Florence is a celebration of life and culture. Whether you're dining in a quaint trattoria or exploring the vibrant markets, Florence offers an unforgettable culinary journey that will leave you craving for more. Lose yourself in the Oltrarno, the heart of Florentine craftsmanship. This neighborhood, nestled on the south bank of the Arno, is a treasure trove of workshops. Here, artisans keep ancient traditions alive. Watch leather workers shape supple hides into exquisite bags, their hands moving with practiced precision. Discover the timeless art of ceramics. Each piece, meticulously painted by hand, tells a story. As you wander through these picturesque alleys, you'll feel the pulse of Florence's creative spirit. As dusk descends, Florence undergoes a magical transformation. The golden light of sunset bathes the city in a warm glow, casting long shadows across its ancient squares. Find a rooftop terrace and savor the moment. Sip on an Aperol Spritz, a classic Italian aperitivo, as the Duomo shimmers before you. Later, stroll along the Arno River. The water reflects the city lights, creating a scene of pure romance. Florence by night is unforgettable. Life in Florence moves at a different rhythm. It's a city where time seems to slow down, allowing you to truly appreciate every moment. The streets are filled with a sense of history and culture, and the people here have mastered the art of living well. It's about savoring the simple pleasures. Whether it's enjoying a perfectly brewed espresso at a charming outdoor cafe or engaging in lively conversation with friends, every experience is enriched by the leisurely pace of life. Picture this. Locals on Vespas zipping through narrow streets, their laughter echoing through the air. The Vespa is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a symbol of freedom and spontaneity, embodying the spirit of the city. Join the leisurely pace of life in Piazza Santo Spirito. This vibrant square is the heart of the community, where locals gather to relax, socialize, and enjoy the beautiful surroundings. It's a place where time stands still, and you can truly immerse yourself in the local culture. Find a shady spot beneath a tree, order a cappuccino, and watch the world go by. There's something incredibly soothing about observing the ebb and flow of daily life as people go about their routines with a sense of ease and contentment. Or rent a bike and escape the city for a while. Florence is surrounded by stunning landscapes, and a bike ride offers the perfect opportunity to explore the scenic beauty of the region at your own pace. Pedal through the rolling hills of the Tuscan countryside, past vineyards and olive groves. The fresh air and breathtaking views make for an unforgettable experience, allowing you to connect with nature and find peace in the simplicity of the moment. It's the perfect way to experience the beauty of the region. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just looking for a leisurely ride, the Tuscan countryside offers something for everyone. Embrace the Florentine pace and let the charm of this enchanting city and its surroundings captivate your heart. Beyond the Arno, cross the Ponte Santa Trinita, an elegant bridge spanning the Arno, and venture into the less explored neighborhoods north of the river. This bridge, with its graceful arches and intricate statues, is a testament to Florence's rich architectural heritage. As you walk across, take a moment to appreciate the serene flow of the Arno River beneath you, a lifeline that has nurtured the city for centuries. Here you'll discover a different side to Florence. Away from the bustling tourist spots, these neighborhoods offer a glimpse into the daily lives of Florentines. Stroll through quiet streets lined with charming local shops and cozy cafes where you can savor authentic Italian coffee and pastries. The atmosphere here is relaxed and inviting, a perfect escape from the crowded city center. Explore the tranquil Boboli Gardens, a sprawling park behind the Pitti Palace. This verdant oasis is a haven of peace and beauty, offering a welcome respite from the urban hustle. Wander through its lush greenery, where every turn reveals a new delight, from sculpted fountains to hidden grottos. Get lost in the labyrinthine paths, discover hidden fountains, and marvel at the panoramic views of the city. The Boboli Gardens are not just a park, but a living museum of garden design, showcasing centuries of horticultural artistry. As you explore, you'll find yourself immersed in a world where nature and art blend seamlessly. Visit the Museo di San Marco, housed in a former monastery. This historic site offers a unique window into Florence's religious and artistic past. The monastery's serene cloisters and ancient cells provide a contemplative backdrop for the museum's impressive collection. Admire the frescoes by Fra Angelico, their vibrant colors seemingly untouched by time. These masterpieces, painted with exquisite detail and profound spirituality, are a testament to the enduring power of art. As you stand before them, you'll feel a deep connection to the past, a reminder of Florence's timeless beauty and cultural legacy. Treasures of time. Florence is a city that breathes history. Every corner whispers tales of the Renaissance, of artistic brilliance and political intrigue. Venture beyond the Uffizi Gallery and the Accademia Gallery, home to masterpieces like Botticelli's Birth of Venus and Michelangelo's David. Seek out the Bargello Museum, a treasure trove of Renaissance sculpture, or the Museo di Palazzo Davanzati, offering a glimpse into the life of a wealthy Florentine family in the 14th century. Each museum is a portal to a bygone era. A city that stays with you. Florence is more than just a city, it's an experience. It's the feeling of cobblestones beneath your feet, the aroma of freshly brewed espresso in the air, the sound of church bells echoing across the rooftops. It's the warmth of the Florentine people, their passion for life contagious. It's the art, the history, the culture that seep into your soul and stay with you long after you've said arrivederci. Until next time, Firenze. Standing on the Ponte Vecchio, with the Arno River flowing beneath, you feel Florence has captured a piece of your heart. The city's beauty, history, and spirit have left an indelible mark. This isn't goodbye, but a see you soon. Until next time, Firenze.